It's a good AC, the cooling is good, it's relatively quiet. The only problem was with the installation. It was a task getting someone to install it, but it was during the lockdown, so I guess it was given. The remote is basic, doesn't have energy saving mode. The other features are there. All in all, a decent buy. Good AC. Energy level not up to the mark. Bill needs but no helps, many times called. Nice cooling, item reached well, installation was good. I have purchased it on the 22nd of June 20, till now feel no problem with this AC. Cooling is good and noise of compressor is also less. Air throw of fan is good. It's good. For installation I contacted service center directly and they did same day installation. Very nice product. Click link in description for more reviews.